I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burrito food fusion. To begin, select a base cuisine for your burrito, like Mexican, and then choose a second cuisine to blend with it, such as Korean or Indian. Think about the core flavors and textures you want to combine. This initial step sets the stage for a truly unique and delicious culinary creation, ensuring a harmonious blend of tastes. Next, focus on your fillings. Select a protein that bridges both culinary worlds, perhaps a slow-cooked pork for a Hawaiian fusion or spiced chicken for an Indian twist. Integrate vegetables characteristic of your chosen fusion cuisine. Finally, create a signature sauce or condiment. This is where your fusion truly shines, bringing all the flavors together with a special touch. Now for the assembly. Always warm your tortillas. This makes them pliable and enhances their flavor. Distribute your carefully crafted fillings evenly across the tortilla, ensuring every bite offers a balanced taste experience. Then, fold the sides inward and roll it up tightly from the bottom. A well-rolled burrito holds its shape, making it easy and enjoyable to eat. Finally, consider the overall flavor harmony and presentation. Ensure a good balance of sweet, savory, and spicy elements in your fusion creation. A simple garnish, like fresh herbs or a drizzle of sauce, can add visual appeal and a burst of freshness. Serve your fusion burrito immediately to enjoy it at its best, savoring every unique and delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.